Hey y'all. This is a video response to the Poetic Flavor. I just subscribed to your channel, girl, and I was going over your videos. And I like to do video responses on things that hit me, close to home. This is a response to your video about if you would provide your teenage child with birth control. Yes, baby, I would. And all of you guys out there should too. I have a 20-year-old son, and I've been on him since he was like 12, 13 years old. I mean, just popping into his head about birth control, pregnancy, what it would means if he got someone pregnant. And I remember I always used to be like, Mama, I know, I understand. I don't want to hear about that. I ain't getting nobody pregnant. I'm like, okay, I'm just letting you know, because when I was growing up, my mom didn't talk to me about sex at all. I don't know if she didn't know or didn't know how to talk to me, but she never talked to me about sex. And I remember, I'm married now to my high school sweetheart, but I remember my husband was coming over to my house when I was 13 years old. Yep, 13. And she would, let him in. We'd be back in my room with the door closed. And I used to always wonder, does she know we back here messing around or, playing around? Does she know what we doing? But thank God my husband's mom, she paid attention. God bless her soul. She paid attention. And I remember she came over one time. We all had a meeting, out the four of us. She was like, are you guys having sex? And we like, no, no ma'am, no ma'am. No, just lying. But no, like I say, thank God she didn't believe us, because she got my mom's permission. She took me down to the birth control and she put me on birth control. My mother-in-law did. She put me on birth control. And I didn't have my first child, my son, until I was 20 years old. So, like I say, thank God for her. Thank God for my mother-in-law. So, yeah, to you parents out there that's listening to this, don't assume that your child, no matter how much you talk to them, don't assume that your child is not doing anything, because, when my son got up in age, I bought him his first pack of condoms. Well, I bought him some. I don't know if he already had some or not. But my husband talked to him. I talked to him. We bought him condoms, gave him money if he didn't have, money to buy them. And thank God he hasn't got anyone pregnant yet. And he's 20 years old. And he's serving our country in the Navy. And I'm so proud of him. But yeah, and if he did get someone pregnant back then, trust me, it would be his responsibility to get a job and help take care of that baby. And my daughter is 9. So when she get up in age, I will be talking to her about the same thing. No holds barred. Tell them the truth and talk to your kids. All right, ladies. Bye.